Hey guys, I just did so many videos in a row and I'm so proud of myself. So that's why you keep thinking, Miss Casero, you're still wearing the same shirt. Yeah, I just wanted to bust out these videos really fast and too many shirts to choose from. So today guys, we are gonna step up one big step from factoring by grouping versus just let's factor and solve. Now solving is the easy part. All right, so there's so many ways about this factoring, and to me, they all just fall flat. Like, I don't understand them. Like, I do understand them, but I could see where you guys, like, you people who are watching this video are going to get confused about them. So I'm going to show you the way that I learned, because to me, that makes a lot of sense. And hopefully it makes sense to you. So we're gonna go slow. I'm sorry if this video is a little long. Let's go. All right, so bring you closer, because I want you guys to see it. So bring you down. All right, so here it says solving x squared plus bx plus c. So guys, this is called a quadratic. All right, now with a quadratic, when we are factoring it, we can't really do factor by grouping and all that other stuff, but it's gonna turn out to like this. So x plus m times x plus p, where m and p, so if we do m plus p, it has to equal b, and m times p has to equal c. So we're gonna do the first equation, so I'm gonna erase this. And my first one is x squared minus 11w plus 28. Now there's so many ways of doing this, boys and girls. Again, if you don't like my way, I'll make a video about different ways. Just let me know in the comments below if you want to see another way. So sorry, this is supposed to be x. I wrote w on my sheet, but I decided last minute I want to do x to coincide. So since you guys see there's two binomials, so two binomials, and both start with x, especially when there's no variable number in the front. So we have x and x. So both lines represent one of the binomials. Here, now, I think about numbers that will multiply up to 28, and I always start with the smallest. So when I think about numbers that multiply up to 28, that is the biggest one. So first one, 2. 2 times 14 gives you 28. So I think 2 and 14. Now, to figure out if they'll add up to 11, you will cross multiply. So here we get 2x, and here I get 14x. Now, if I add 2x plus 14x, I get 16x. I don't want that. Now, if I subtract 2x and 14x, I get 12x again. So those two are not working for me. So erase those. Let's think. Let's keep thinking. 3. 3 times anything gives you 28? No. Next one is 4. 4 and 7. So multiply. So multiply up and down to figure out if it gives you 28. So 4 times 7 gives you 28. Now again, these could also be negative numbers. It might be a negative number. So multiply across. 4 times x gives you 4x, and x times 7 gives you 7x. Now, as we see here, the 11 has a negative. So if I add 4x and 7x together, they're going to give me 11x, but I want that to be a negative. Now, when I multiply them together, they give me a positive 28. So only way I could have a negative 11x and a positive 28 is if both of them are negative. So I have negative 4 times x gives me negative 4x, minus 7x gives me a negative 11x, which is exactly what I want. So if this gets so sloppy, guys, for you, just rewrite it. So it's going to be x minus 4 times x minus 7. Now to solve it, remember this whole thing equals 0. You can't really see that. Equals 0. Now, split these up, because as long as one of them equals 0, the whole thing equals 0. So it's saying x minus 4 equals 0, and x minus 7 equals 0. So x minus 4, so x has to equal to 4, and x has to equal to 7. So that is how you roll. See you guys, and let me know if you want to see another way in the comments below. Bye!